The Tesla stock price has fallen by more than 33% in 2024 to around $170 levels now, making the electric vehicle giant as the worst performer in the Nasdaq 100 index and the second worst in the S&P 500 index. Now, technical analysts suggest that the stock has a support at $150 levels. A fall below that, they said, can take the counter down further. Now, let's quickly understand what has triggered the fall in Tesla stock price in the last 3 months. Tesla shares tumbled on Tuesday after the company reported a decline in sales. Tesla sold approximately 387,000 vehicles in the first quarter of 2024, representing a 20% decrease from the previous quarter and an 8.5% drop from the previous year. Now, this marked the company's first annual decline since the COVID-19 pandemic hit in early 2020. Although analysts had anticipated a challenging Q1, the figures were unmitigated disaster, some analysts were reported saying. The EV maker attributed the decline in volumes to the early phase of the production ramp-up of the updated Model 3 at its Fremont, California factory. That apart, Houthi militia attacks on shippers in the Red Sea has disrupted Tesla's component supply and temporarily suspended production at its German factory outside of Berlin in January. In March, environmental activists set fire to infrastructure near the same factory, depriving Tesla of sufficient operational power and causing another pause in production. Now, this impacted the overall sales volume in the recently concluded quarter. But even before the sales numbers were unveiled, traders were aggressively selling off Tesla stock. The sell-off was attributed by analysts to a cooling off in the electric vehicle market amid heightened competition from global players like Chinese electric vehicle maker BYD, prompting Tesla to announce a series of price cuts to boost demand. The ranks of would-be Tesla buyers in the United States are shrinking, according to a survey by market intelligence firm Caliber, which attributed the drop in part to CEO Elon Musk's polarizing persona. Caliber's consideration score for Tesla fell 31% in February, less than half of its high of 70% in November 2021 when it started tracking consumer interest in the brand. Now, Tesla's consideration score fell 8% points from January alone, even as Caliber's scores for Mercedes, BMW and Audi, which produce gas as well as EV models, inched up during the same period, reaching 44 to 47%. To know more about the same, head to our website businessstandard.com. If you like our video, do subscribe us on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter.